and welcome to my channel. Friend, today we are going to learn that how to hide taskbar in Windows 10 automatically. For this purpose, we first go to properties, desktop properties. Now we should click on taskbar, and here we have different types of option. If we want to automatically hide the taskbar in the stop mode or window mode, then we should turn on this option. By turning on this option, we have hide taskbar. If we maximize this window, we have no taskbar at the bottom. But if we minimize this, we have the taskbar, and this is how we can automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. If we want to turn up this option, then it is to be turned off from here, and we will have the taskbar permanently in the desktop mode. I prefer to be permanent desktop taskbar. I prefer to have permanent desktop taskbar. That's why I am turning off this option. Dear friend, that's it for today, and we will meet with another video very soon. Till date, watch our video, like it, and subscribe our channel for more videos. Till date, goodbye. Thank you.